Hi guys, welcome to Tech Tutorial. Today we're going to talk about Squarespace versus Wix versus WordPress. Which one is the right for your needs? It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, so don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Let's dive right in. Now in today's video, we will be showing you a comparison between Squarespace, Wix.com, and WordPress over here, and discuss to you which website you should do and use for your different needs. Now, to be honest, all of these websites or all of this platform is capable or fully capable of performing very well, especially for any type of website. All of them has their own potential and has their own specialty. So let's actually start and begin our comparison. Let's start with Squarespace. To be able to actually compare Squarespace, we would need to set it up. So simply click on Get Started over here and let's begin setting it up. Now in Wix, it is very similar. You would need to set it up to the specific type of need that you're trying to create. So it actually depends on your need. Now I can't really or I won't be able to fit all the needs in one video, of course. So let's give a situation. Now, for example, I am trying to create an online store and I would like to use one of this website for now. So let's create an online store in Squarespace, Wix.com, and in WordPress and discuss to you which one you should use and which one was able to perform the best for me, myself. And I'm also going to explain some of my opinions on how my experience with it, of course. So let's go. And let's start with our Squarespace over here. Let's go start with the beginning. It's letting us start with the template. So let's go home. And let's actually start from scratch. So let's get started over here. And it's actually letting us choose the template right away, which is not it's supposed to do. It's supposed to ask us some questions, but either way, let's simply look for our options over here. Online stores, you can see, simply select the online store option over here, and then we will be able to see all the different templates that are for online store. So, like all of these websites, it has templates. So let's simply choose a very simple template for us to work with. Let's go with Almeda. This is like the preview of the Almeda design. And when you're viewing or previewing some templates, you can view it on desktop, tablet, or even mobile, as you can see here. So let's start with this design for Squarespace. For Wix, let's also set it up. Let's click on Create New Site over here on the top right. And while waiting for this, let's do the same thing for our WordPress. In WordPress, let's simply click on My Site over here or Switch Site. And simply click on Add New Site over here below. Then we will be able to create a new site in WordPress as well, as you can see. And for the domain, we'll choose my domain later. And we will be doing a free plan for our WordPress over here. So let's go back to Squarespace so that everything is going at the same pace. So as you can see, start selling on Squarespace, enter a name. Let's simply leave it as it is for now. And simply click on continue. Everything you need to sell and anything. We will be able to sell physical products and services. We will be able to book appointments for our client. And we will also be able to access content, courses, and many more. And let's click on continue again. And we will also be able to drive traffic to our site through branded email campaigns if you would like to have that, or integrated social tools or advanced SEO tools. So simply click on continue and simply get on started. Now this is our online store over here, as you can see on our right side. If you would like to edit this, you can simply click on edit over here on the top left. But we will be focusing on the back end in today's video. We won't be focusing on the design. And the back end for the Squarespace is the commerce area over here. So simply select that and let's check out the different things that we could do for our online store in Squarespace. As you can see, we will be able to add our products. We will be able to add our payments. We will also be able to choose a subscription plan and simply publish it and start selling as well. And let's do the to-do list for each platform. So for first one, let's click on product and what do you want to sell. You have the option to sell physical service, download, gift card, member site, or video on demand, scheduling, or courses over here. You are also able to sell courses on Squarespace. let's say I'm selling a physical product, and as you can see, creating product over here. While waiting, let's go over here, create on Wix editor. Over here for our WordPress, our option is sell online. Click on continue, click on continue again, and we're going to pick our design. Same process with our Squarespace, we pick our design. It's taking a while to load. There we go. Simply select the design that you want, and you will be able to begin your setup, unlock theme. Although for this one, we won't be able to really use this, because to be able to actually sell an online store in WordPress, you're going to have to unlock the feature, which is the WooCommerce. The WooCommerce is a specific feature or a specific alternative or like a branch feature of WordPress. And this is going to be specifically for online stores. So you would need to pay like $300 per year with a 14-day money back guarantee to be able to access this. And that's the hurdle in WordPress. To be honest, you have to pay for a lot of things to be able to enjoy majority of its features. And those features that you are unable to use as a free users are very important actually. Because for example, plugins, you won't be able to use plugins, but plugins will allow you to customize a lot of your website. So that's a very important component. And unfortunately, we won't be able to use that. And that is the downside for WordPress. So if you're a free user like me and you don't really have much budget, there isn't really any options for you in WordPress. Of course, you could create like a very basic website, like a blog website, I guess, but you won't be able to have like a lot of functionalities because of all the payments that you need to deal with. And that's the downside in WordPress. So for WordPress, this is not something I would recommend if you're trying to build an online store and if you're a free user like me. But anyway, in Wix right now, there's an issue with their server. It seems like it. But in Wix, you will be able to do the same process that we are doing in Squarespace. Everything is free as well. And the only thing that you're going to actually pay in Wix is their website, or rather their domain. But you will be able to like use a lot of the different parts of Wix, and everything actually works great. So let's me check out a store that I have here instead of creating a new website. And let's click on my site over here. This is product name, open this. And the back end of Wix allows us to see and like have a lot of different features similarly with Squarespace. And you will be able to do the same thing that you are doing right now, or you will be able to do in Squarespace. But I believe, or for me, in my personal experience, it's more organized, but as you can see here. And over here, everything is like compact into one page. You have your website, commerce, marketing, everything is a bit confusing. And sometimes this is not where it should be. But in Wix, as you can see, everything is organized over here on the left side. You have your activities, sign up, store products, orders, gift subscriptions, gift cards. Everything is on one page. Everything that should be behind the stage or back end is all located in one area. And the editing of the website design is on another page as well. So everything is separated, which is very nice. But in Squarespace, everything is compact together, which is, for me personally, makes it hard for me to focus on what I should be doing. And unfortunately, as much as I want to present or show you how WordPress works, we can't really produce or show you the WooCommerce version. So aside from online store, you will be able to create blog websites just fine with WordPress. And if you're trying to create a blog website, I would really suggest WordPress because you will be able to customize a lot of the parts. But for online store, as you can see with the arrangement of the different features, I think I'll go with Wix.com instead. Aside from their features are basically the same, where you could add the orders and the products. Same process, to be honest. The thing that makes me want to choose Wix is the way they organize their different features and make it a bit more user-friendly or beginner-friendly especially. And that's basically it. That is the comparison between Squarespace, Wix.com, and WordPress. And we demonstrated the online store and explained to you why I chose Wix. So That's it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.